Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Last War survival game not loading. The first thing you can do is to go to your own settings, then find apps. Tap on all apps, then find Last War Survival. You can either search it on the search bar or just scroll it down until you find Last War Survival. After clicking the Last War Survival application, you have to click on that storage and cache section and use the clear cache and clear storage method. If the issue persists, you can also restart your own mobile and launch the game once again. Sometimes the problem arises because of the outdated application. You can also check on the Google Play Store if there's any update in the game itself. Or you can just uninstall and reinstall it on your mobile phones.